What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So as you can see, my Pulsar, which is standing right next to the CBR, exactly where I used to park my RC390. So today I'm a bit nervous because I'm vlogging after close to 2.5-3 months now. So basically I have sold my RC390 last month. Yes, I am a bit sad, but there are a couple of reasons why I sold it, which I will share in some time now. First, let me just hop on the bike and get started. सो आई डिड नॉट मेड अ व्लॉग व्हेन आई सोल्ड माई RC390. जैसे काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं जो अपनी बाइक सेल करते वक्त उसका कुछ व्लॉग बनाते हैं, वीडियो बनाते हैं, बट आई वॉज वेरी क्लोज टू माई RC390 एंड आई रियली लव्ड इट. आई वुडेंट हैव सोल्ड इट, बट there are a couple of reasons, as I mentioned, which I'll share shortly, why I sold it, why I decided to sell. तो बेसिकली अगर आप 400cc कैटेगरी में देखें तो आई बिलीव दैट ड्यूक 390 और RC390 इज़ द बेस्ट वैल्यू फॉर मनी दैट यू कैन बाय, स्पेशली व्हेन यू डू नॉट मीट लॉट ऑफ ट्रैफिक इन योर डेली रूट, जैसे कि मेरे केस में था. एंड दैट वाज वन ऑफ द रीज़न व्हाई आई डिसाइडेड टू बाय RC390 बिकॉज मेरा जो डेली रूट है वहाँ पे मुझे ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक नहीं मिलता है. मोस्ट ऑफ माई राइड वॉज इन द हाईवे. So coming back to the reasons why I sold RC390, the first reason is but obvious the lockdown, because काफ़ी टाइम से अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इट्स बीन मोर देन 6 months मेरी तीनों भी बाइक्स बिल्डिंग के नीचे ही खड़ी थी. एंड इट इज़ नो यूज़ व्हेन यू हैव सो मेनी बाइक्स बट यू कैनॉट राइड इवन वन. So that was one of the reason which was very frustrating. So second reason is that currently I am traveling around 80 to 100 kilometers every day, and that too with a pillion on board. So it becomes very difficult on an RC390, as you all know that RC390 is not a very good option for riding with a pillion every day for around 80 to 100 kilometers. थर्ड रीज़न इज़ दैट जो मेरे सोलो राइड्स हैं, जो मैं पहले काफ़ी सोलो राइड्स करता था, वीकेंड राइड्स करता था, वो मेरे अभी ऑलमोस्ट बंद हो चुके हैं. एंड दैट इज़ वेयर आई रियली यूज़ टू एन्जॉय माई RC390. So talking about the present scenario, before I forget to share that I have ordered few performance parts and couple of periodic parts for my 600 CBR F2, and very soon I'm gonna make a separate vlog on that with all the details. So lots of entertaining content will be dropping soon on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do hit the subscribe button for interesting content, and do not forget to click the bell icon to stay updated with all my latest videos. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram and Facebook page, do follow me to check out all the latest updates, as there are a lot of other things which I post on my Instagram and Facebook which I do not share on my YouTube videos. So yeah, that's all about what is going to come in my upcoming vlogs. And talking about my Pulsar, so as a lot of people might be knowing who are following me on Instagram and my YouTube channel, that it's been 14 years that I own this Pulsar, and now it is the time that I really want to wrap it up and dismantle it and keep it in my storage room, where I'll restore it sometime later in once this model is considered as vintage. So after a lot of thought, I decided that I'll go with a 250cc bike, because that will serve as a replacement for both my Pulsar as well as my RC390, because 250cc bike is a very good option when you consider it to ride for a daily commute, as well as you can also plan for some short weekend rides. So there are a lot of options right now in 250cc segment, especially in 2020. The market for a quarter liter bike has really opened up, and there are a lot of options. So I am really confused which bike I should go with. Should I buy a used one, or should I buy a new one, is still a question. But yes, before all these bikes launched, I had a couple of bikes in my mind. So the first few options were, I was looking out for a twin cylinder engine, a used one. I used a Ninja 300 or a used R3 2016 and above models. And the second option that was in my mind was to buy a used Duke 390 2017 and above model with a TFT screen and ride-by-wire technology. And the third option was the Dominar 400 2017 model again and above. because these were the three options I thought that will serve a very good replacement for my RC390 as well as for my daily commute, and will also replace very well for my Pulsar 180. But again, as I mentioned that earlier, that right now my riding, my traveling is like around 80 to 100 kilometers every day. So again, and most of my traveling will be with the pillion. So again, Ninja 300 and R3 would not be a very good option riding with a pillion for 80 to 100 kilometers. Coming back to the Duke 390, it's a very good option, but again, I already owned a RC 390 for 5 years, and I did not wanted to go with the same engine, because end of the day it's the same engine with the Duke 390 as well. Coming back to the Dominar 400, I really like that bike, but the only problem with that bike is the weight of the bike. It is very heavy, and I really am looking out for something which is light and agile, not very heavy like the Dominar. And talking about some new launches, so I really liked two bikes. One is the Duke 250 with the LED lights, which is recently launched, and the other one is the Suzuki Gixxer 250 SF, the MotoGP edition. So I really liked these two bikes, but again, the on-road price of for these two bikes are like over 2 lakh rupees. With the Duke 250 is more than 2 lakh 40,000. So it is actually very expensive to for a 250cc bike. So the idea behind buying a used bike came from here itself, that I really didn't wanted to spend over 2 lakh rupees for a replacement, because I sold my RC390 for just over a lakh rupees, and I was looking out for a replacement which will cost me around same, or probably just a few like around 10-20 grands more than what I got for my RC390, so that I am not going over budget for a 250cc bike. And that's how I came up with some other options like the Pulsar NS200, the Apache RTR 200, and the Honda CBR 250R. Again, all these models 2018 and above, because I was searching on a few platforms where I was getting very good deals for these models, like they were around somewhere around 70 to 80 grands for all these models, except the Honda CBR 250R, which was going like around 130 or 140. But talking about the Pulsar NS200 and the Apache RTR 200, the price for a 2018 and above model were somewhere between 70 to 80 grands, which I feel that is very decent, considering the new price hike for all these models, the basic variants. Now Pulsar 200 is priced at 1,28,000 ex showroom, which is approximately 10,000 more than the BS4 variant. Also the Apache RTR 200, again it is very expensive than the BS4 variant. So I feel that a bike which is a year and a half old and less ridden is as good as a new bike. And if you consider the BS6 variant for the NS200 and the Apache RTR 200, the on-road price would somewhere range from 1,40,000 to 1,50,000. So if I'm getting a 2018 and above model for like 70 to 85 grand, so I'm literally saving around 70,000 rupees for any of these models. So I feel that it's a very good option rather than going for a new one, because if a bike has run around less than 10,000 kilometers and it's just 1.5 year old, it is a pretty decent deal, and you're saving a lot of money here. So yeah, so all these things are in my mind right now. I have still not finalized on something very concrete, but very soon I'll come up with a new vlog and update you like what will be my next replacement. So पल्सर की बात करें तो 14 साल के बाद फाइनली आई came across a name which I could give to this bike. So I've decided a name which is Mahisar. So Mahisar is nothing but the initial 4 letters of my dad's name and the last 3 letter of Pulsar. So my dad's name is Mahipal and Pulsar, so Mahisar. So that's how I came across this name, because this bike was gifted by my dad, and since this was my first bike, it is very special to me. And I lost my dad last year on 29th November 2019, and on the same day I lost my granny as well, because of which I actually had taken a break from YouTube and also from my social account for a long time. सो मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए कि आपको ये नाम कैसा लगा, बिकॉज यू नो आई फील दैट वेन एवर आई कॉल Pulsar by its name, I will remember all those beautiful moments that I spent with my dad, and also all those things when I used to convince my dad to buy this bike, because it was my first bike, and my other family members were not very convinced that I should be getting a bike because it's not safe. But still my dad bought me this bike because he loved me a lot, and he used to fulfill all my wishes. Whatever I used to demand, he used to get me those things, despite that I did not come from a very rich background, but he somehow he managed to sacrifice his own happiness and get me whatever I want. I really love him a lot. So that's all for today, guys. If you really like my video, please do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to stay updated, and also follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page, Vlogger AJ, and very soon I will come with the next video. So till then, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.